Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to configure VLANs on a Mikrotik router and switch. Without further ado, let's get started. I have prepared a topology for the topic in this video. First, I will configure the basic settings on the Mikrotik router so it can have an internet connection. Next, I will configure VLANs on the Mikrotik router. I will create 3 VLANs, assign IP addresses to each VLAN, and set up a DHCP server. Now that the router configuration is complete, I will configure the Mikrotik switch. I will create a bridge and assign all ports to that bridge. Then I will configure the VLAN port assignments, including the trunk port and the access ports. I am now done configuring the Mikrotik switch. I will now test if the specific computer assigned to a specific VLAN can obtain an IP address. As you can see, the computer successfully obtains an IP address from the VLAN network. As you can also see, it has internet access. And that's it, everyone. This is how to configure VLANs on a Mikrotik router and switch. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Bye for now, and have a nice day.